for most part, data are unstructured. So, for example, videos, audios, text files, PDF, images, all sorts of things. And of course, it's structured as well. So, how do we actually take the data wherever they are without moving the data from the source system and build something we call it unified context graph? So we what we are doing that enterprise has knowledge everywhere in terms of document, in terms of data warehouse, in terms of even files and SharePoint, emails, lots of information in the enterprise. Now, one way most people were doing that they were pulling the data from all these sources and bringing them in one place and building a massive, gigantic data warehouse. And this has been the traditional process. However, the problem with the data warehouse is that you are moving the data from the source system. That means you are actually taking the source of truth and converting that into something that people call a source of truth, but actually that's not the real source of truth. What we are doing is with Acure IQ that we are building something called unified context graph. That means you take all the documents and then data and build a graph that knows the relationship of all these. First of all, where they exist, they remain wherever they are. Without moving them, you build actually a metadata graph to know where they are. And so that's the core of it. That means we are replicating the knowledge within the enterprise. Now, this has to be private. We can't say that, okay, here is a public place where you go and publish your data. Nobody is going to trust that. So that means we have to operate within the enterprise boundary. And what that means is that wherever the data is located, let it stay there, bring our technology within the enterprise ecosystem. That means your data remains where it is, and the metadata event that we're creating also remains within your boundary. That means we are creating a private knowledge base.